In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to create clean professional text animations using the built-in tools. And by the end, you'll know how to fade, slide, zoom, or even spin your titles with smooth, polished motion. Start by adding your text. Go to Graphics, choose New Layer, and then Text. Click in the viewer and type your message. Keep it simple for now so you can focus on the motion. Once the text appears on your timeline, make sure the text layer itself is selected. This is important because your animation controls will target whatever clip or layer is highlighted. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. This is where you'll find the properties that drive animation. You'll see options like opacity, position, scale, and rotation. Each property has a small stopwatch icon beside it. That stopwatch toggles animation. When it's on, keyframes are created to mark changes over time. Let's set up a fade. Click the stopwatch next to opacity to enable animation. Then make a keyframe at the very start with opacity set to 0. Move the playhead to where you want the fade to finish and set opacity to 100. You've just built a fade in. For a fade out at the end, add another keyframe at full opacity, then one later with opacity back at 0. For a slide, enable the position stopwatch. At the beginning, move the text slightly off screen so it starts out of view. At the point you want it fully in place, set the position back to your on-screen spot. That creates a smooth slide in. The same approach works for scale. Toggle the scale stopwatch, start a little smaller or larger, and settle at your final size to create a subtle zoom or pop. If you want to spin, enable rotation, set an initial angle like negative or positive a few degrees or a full turn, and return it to 0 at the endpoint. Once you have your start and end keyframes, right-click any keyframe and choose ease in or ease out to smooth the acceleration. Ease out at the beginning helps motion start gently, while ease in near the end lets it settle naturally. This small tweak makes a big difference. Now preview your clip from the timeline. Watch for pacing. If the move feels too fast, spread the keyframes farther apart. If it drags, move them closer together. Keep tweaking until the animation looks clean and intentional. That's it. Simple, controlled text animation that elevates your video without extra plugins.